Today I'm going to discuss things to do in Boca Raton. Boca Raton Historical Society and Museum. I'm Kristin Stampini and thanks for tuning in to StampTV. Let's get started. Boca Raton Historical Society and Museum. The Boca Raton Historical Society and Museum is known primarily for its stewardship of two landmark buildings in Boca Raton, Town Hall and the F.E.C. Railroad Station. Both buildings are listed on the National Register of Historical Places and have received the Florida Trust prestigious Historic Preservation Award. These restorations are testaments to the community's dedication to preservation. Through these projects, the Historic Society has set the agricultural tone for the city and achieved a leadership role in the downtown development and new development in Boca Raton.